Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to create the basement and we added the floor, and we're going to continue working on this right now. But before that, I saw that I have this reversed. So what you have to do is go to your basement and click on the stairs, and you just need to click this arrow. After that, once you see that this is now fixed on the right orientation for the stairs, and then we could go to the basement. We're gonna add a floor here, but we just need to remove the underlay so that we don't see the one at the top. So we could add the concrete right now here. So this will be floor number 2. So click on floor. We need to edit this type and then duplicate. Floor 2, edit type, and then now we need to change this. So the assembly for the floor that we're gonna use is a typical slab on grade concrete. We're gonna use 4-inch concrete slab, so that will be the finish. So we could actually just use, so we need to erase this, and that will be already our structure. So we just need to type in concrete, and then we could use cast in place gray. And for the thickness, we have 4-inch. So actually, we're just gonna replace this or duplicate instead. And then we could change this to concrete slab. Click apply, and for the thickness, let's change this to 100, and then we're gonna delete this. This is not a finish. This will be maybe structure. This will be granular. So like a compacted granular bed. So earth. So we're gonna duplicate this and change this to compacted granular bed. So we're gonna click copy, and then this will be 8-inch, so around 200. And then we're gonna add in, actually we're gonna insert, so go up, this will be a membrane layer, and this will be a vapor barrier. This will be 0, and we could have it, so structure concrete slab 4-inch, we have a membrane layer, vapor barrier 0, and then another structure, compacted granular bed. So basically it's earth that they compacted, they put granular like stones or yeah, and then they put 200 thickness. And we could just use this and add it like that. To make it faster, we could just keep on adding like this and use trim command. Then type in TR, and then you could just remove the lines in between this. So now the basement is done. We have the floor here. We're also gonna add in the ground floor for the garage. So we're gonna use a typical construction for the garage, which is almost the same as the one for the basement. So we could just use floor number 2 for that. And then click finish. Don't attach. So we have our floors on each. So it's starting to look good now. And then we just need to create the second floor. So we could click on second floor. And what we could do is use underlay so that we could see the one for the ground floor. So as you can see, now it's visible. For the wall assembly for this one, we're just gonna use the same wall assembly that we created for the first floor. So it will be all bricks. So now let's click on wall and then look for interior wall number 1. Sorry, exterior wall. This is the one with the brick assembly. So brick common, so that's good. And this will be up to, so second floor up to roof. So now we just need to use exterior face, finish face exterior, so that we could just click on the ends. So we could change it to fine. And then once we do that, we can see that we are doing it correctly. So as you can see, the hatching for the brick is correct. It's on the exterior. So we just need to carefully add it to the ends. And let's finish it like that. Press escape, and as you can see, we have it done like this. Next, we're just gonna add in the walls. So it's going down from here. So now we just need to add in a wall right here. So we're gonna use the interior wall, I believe number 2 interior wall. This is the 1 2x4, I believe. Yes. So let's use this and close this off. Let's change this now to wall center line and up to roof. So I'm just clicking on the midpoint here and then up to here as well. or we could just later on we might pull it up a little bit. We're gonna close this off so that no one will fall. We're gonna move that one later on. And let's add in the wall right here. After that, we could now, and then let's add in a wall right here. And this wall, we could go up to here, like so. We can move it in the middle of B, so the line of B. And also we could add in, we could just move this one right here. Same wall. We could add in a wall right here as well, but leave a gap for now. And what we could do now is we could put the underlay to none so that we could see it much better. Okay, so we're going to add in a wall right here, and we're gonna extend this all the way like that. And this, we just need to align the finish side like that. And move this one much to here. We're going to add a walk-in closet for the masters, which is right here. We have, so we have the masters here, the walk-in closet, and the washroom. We're also gonna add the bedroom here, a bedroom here, and a bedroom here, and this will be their common washroom here. So here we're gonna add in a wall like that. Let's add in the doors. So I'm gonna add in a door like so that we can see the separation. And this one is for the main. And now we could add the wall that separate the washroom and the walk-in closet and the washroom. So we could add this one. We're gonna click this wall and create a wall opening like that. And then now this will be all the ensuite. we could even open this up more. But let's add in the tub. So we already have the tub, so click component. Let's add in the sink. So I would rather have 2 sink for the ensuite. And then let's add in the tub. We're gonna add in the tub right here and push it back here, and then add in the toilet. Let's go to annotate and detail line and thin line. I just want to add in this one. So just align represent the surface, and then here we could just move it more. And then let's add in the door. Let's add the door right here, and this will be all walk-in closet. So we could insert, or sorry, annotate and detail line, and we could add in more details right here just to represent like that. I'm gonna move it like this. And the detail like that. And of course we could add in closet right here. And then click on doors, double sliding, and we could make it bigger by selecting another one. And go to annotate again and detail line to represent the rod. We need to add it here as well. So 700. Actually 800 will be good as well. Okay, and add it here as well. We could use align. And then we could add it here. CS, Want to add it here, here, and a smaller one here, but we just need to add it first. And let's not forget this side for the washroom. So I already have this CS. We have the tub. CS again. CS here. And then CS for this. Add in the rod. And let's not forget the door. We also need to add window, so go to architecture and then window. Let's use the window casement. We need to add it there, add it here. And then we need to add it here. For this side, I'm gonna use this one. And I want the orientation to be changed like that. And same window will be put on the side here. Okay, so it's looking good. So let's look at it at 3D. It looks good. I'm just gonna change this. Edit type. The landing type. Let's make this one 900. And then the run type. Let's make this 600. And as you can see, it thickens it. This will be below ground, so we won't be able to see it much. what we could do is we could go to ground floor, and I'm just gonna edit this stairs a little bit. It's because this one is, there's a gap on it, so I just want it to be without that gap. So allow it much better. This will be about below ground, so that's good enough. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the ceiling and then the floor. So the floor first, we're gonna use the same floor. So go to second floor and click on floor. I want to double check if this is the correct one. No, it's not. It's floor number 1. So floor number 1, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add it like this. And then use the line, and we're going to just go around this. So we're just gonna use trim command to trim out this line, and then click finish. Don't attach, so that we don't have that gap, because if you attach it, you will see that there will be a gap from the floor and the wall. So now, looking good. And then we could add in the ceiling, but that will be later on. For now, let's finish up this video and continue on the next. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.